TikTok I get out of hand.
CMR ate the kids' meal.
We sick and tired of your fucker now. And when him a leave out of the house like CMR, leave him phone. And when the little girl pull the phone, he must see picture with the little girl.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Tea Time with Tea. By now, everybody's supposed to know about CMR and the PITNEY allegations. Allegedly, we don't know if it's true, we don't know it go. But a friend of the family come out and say, allegedly a CMR side piece daughter, and them not confirm if I know activities in the bedroom, but them say them find picture in her phone. CRISSY also made an Instagram post on her stories. You know, she didn't say anything about the situation, but she showed that she voted, and I don't think she will ever speak on it. Also, Vybz Kartel did slide her and drop down off of one step. Well, he was sliding off of a step that he was coming down off of. So stay tuned. If it's your first time on my channel, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on the latest updates. Also, I really appreciate it if you leave a like on this video. Stay tuned. So I'm sure by now everybody knows about the allegation about popular YouTube CMR, also known as Cushane Carter. He was arrested 2 days ago for, being involved with, as we call it, I don't want to say it because, new YouTube go. However, a few people came out and gave their 2 cents, but a family friend came out and actually speak out and told us what really happened. Apparently, allegedly, CMR side chick have a daughter, and a fear yard in the day, and them catch up. And he started out of the house and left his phone, and then going at the phone and also come then see the picture with the little girl in a CMR form, allegedly. So I'm gonna check this out and let me see tell me what you guys think.
Yeah. Yesterday made upon a live yesterday, and I watch and I'm wife daughter, is a next lady. Because when them a question the lady, she said 2 years she and him they together. She have her daughter at the house. But what I blame the lady, she said most of the time the little girl go in the bathroom. When the little girl come out of the bathroom, she not have her.
Also can be
lady daughter. And she attack. It's like she and CMR did in some consultation, like pulling up on something. But she say CMR leave out of the house, and when him leave out of the house, like CMR leave him phone. Him leave him phone in the house, right? So the little girl telling him, like, when she take it up, she can't pull the phone. And the little girl said to her, Mommy, I can't pull the phone. And when the little girl pull the phone, he must see picture with the little girl. We don't have her no. But she said the little girl always going to the bathroom, and when she come out of the bathroom, the little girl not have her no. Now there's some say people them a cuss her upon the live, and I say what kind of altar is that? You're not supposed to do that, because remember, say he's a man you're having at the house, and he's not the child father.
CMR ate the kids' meal.
We sick and tired of your fucker now.
You can't get any blood clot, girl, you want, but I look up Pitney, your blood clot one.
You're not tired of embarrass, CRISSY. You're not tired of embarrass your wife.
What was your name doing there?
What wrong with your Cushane? What wrong with your Cushane, Carter? What wrong with you?
You want some blood clot, lick out a blood clot pickaxe sticking at your blood clot big head.
CMR, if you ain't got KFC, if you go buy a big deal and you go there, you find out say no big deal not there. You know sure when you just want a drinks and fries, me general, move on. Why you trouble the kids' meal, brother?
If you got blood clot prisoner, you know if a blood clot come out.
CRISSY, a time now. Pack up your things and go, mama. A time now, man. Because I'm not tap.
It is getting out of hand with the allegations. Remember, we never did it, It's just that if he was arrested and, they must have to find some kind of evidence. Even though him never touched the PITNEY, if them find picture in your phone, then call that child pornography. If you don't know what that is, go look it up. See? So you don't have to touch them, but if you have nudity at PITNEY in your phone, you're in a problem. And to me, that's a pervert behavior. So, like, people would say innocent, I doubt it. But me not say him touch the PITNEY, but you're not innocent with having them kind of picture in your phone. Secondly, if the part both a side chick with that, you're worse around not innocent, you're guilty. But let's hope say it did just tap a picture alone and nothing else further. But anything will come in that must come to light, whether it be false, whether I lie them at help on him or what. So we are yet to see the truth come out. Anyways, guys, yesterday Triple X was live and some people were bringing down CMR. They drag him down and I say a bag of things and I bring up in except that name, which me not really condone because we're not sure. You understand? I feel bad because the little girl, you know, what if it's not true and then they have that pan her name forever, Lord God. But you guys check this out and tell me what you think.
Whole heap, you can't know people do behind closed door, brother.
To believe that.
No, because guess what? We might have an uncle, we cousin, and we hear certain things. Remember, say we drink with them every day, eat with them every single day. Right? We don't know. But the first part of the video, when me say, we should have said that part of the car. As we say, innocent until proven guilty, I will not see no evidence for certain things as yet. So me take me for the first part.
But I'm not wrong about what you say enough. But that's true. Jamaica one of them culture.
Triple. Now ask you something, Triple.
Yeah.
As a man, we date all of a woman and we date all of a woman. How much woman they know in Jamaica? We go through sexual assault. We go through much family member touch them. We go through much things, brother. And guess what?
Every single woman I know.
Bro, me never date a woman yet. When I must about 80% of the woman that me date go through certain things, bro.
Every woman I ever date with go through them thing there already. That's why I tell you, I know for a fact say there's a lot of sexual offenders in Jamaica, but the truth of the matter is, Ricky, and every man do them something there. You understand me I say? Not because the truth of the matter is, every woman me personally have ever dated has had experiences like that. I don't know if every single woman in Jamaica go through that type of experience. It probably not reach to intercourse or rape, but some form of molestation go on. Zin, molestation go on. You understand me I say? But I am not going to just jump up and you can't just label a subset of man based on I use a man's name or a man representation for go label the most heinous type of man them in a society, bro. Because suppose hold on, let us say hypothetically speaking, Ricky, it come out now, say it's a false accusation or a false allegation against the G. Zane, if it come out now, it don't start call it say that man.
Triple, I want thing to tell people over and over. Two things I don't want your name called upon. A rape and child molestation. Because your name can't come off of that.
Alright, Ricky. Alright, you know that. So your name can't come off of that. May I ask you this, Ricky? Is it impossible? Think about it realistically speaking. Is it impossible for somebody for you to do something malicious against you for call your name or something like that?
Of course.
How is it impossible, Ricky?
No, it's not impossible. It's not impossible.
Okay. And as you say, that one thing where you know say you don't want to call by your name, because if it go by your name, if it does go by your name, it cannot come off. Correct?
So an alleged family member came out
CMR got
and
bail
gave
for
her 2 cents on what
7,500.
happened. Listen.
Members say we all take man and we don't know who them is till then do what they do to we. The difference is when your child comes to you and tells you that somebody did something to them, you must believe them first. Question the people them later. You don't question your child. You believe your child first, then you investigate, and then you let the police then do the rest of the work. But everybody's on here saying proof, show proof. The proof is on the internet. The government will never release a person's picture like that with accusations like that unless they did what they did. And I am telling you,
a lot of women were triggered by this situation, you know, things that happened in the past that they're not over. And then because CMR have a trouble past by hurting his wife over and over. So of course he ain't go get bashed. You have to expect that. We just have to wait and see what go on. But tell me what you guys think about this in the comment section. Now I don't know where Vybz Kartel was the other night, and it looked like he went a step off one step and he slide and drop. Now people did that saying drunk, but me not think of that, because if you have on a slippery sneakers or even a slippers and you're on a place where it probably wet or you just slippery the tile, yeah, that happened. But check this out. Like me I said, it looked like a slide to me, and a little drunkenness. But anyways, you guys tell me what you think in the comment section. That's it for now, guys. Thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on the latest updates. And I really appreciate it if you leave a like on this video. I'll see you next time. Bye.